Match function is used to locate the position of lookup value in a row, column, or in a table. So I want to find row number of my computer book. So I'm writing computer here. And here I'm applying formula equals to match. I have to give lookup value. I have selected this cell, or I can directly write computer within double quotes also, comma, lookup array. I have to give this range. Then I want exact match. I'm giving 0. So in row number 1, I have my computer book. Next, I want to find row number of my storybook. So equals to match, within double quotes I'm giving story, comma, I have to select range of cells, then for exact match I'm giving 0. So it's saying in row number 5 I have storybook. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now I want to find row number of my math book on sheet 4 from sheet 5. So equals to match, within bracket I will be giving math book, comma, then lookup array. For that I have to go to sheet 4. This is the lookup array, comma, I want exact match, give 0. So it says that on in row number 4 I have my math book in sheet 4. This is sheet 4, row number 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is our math book. Now I want to find the price of book which is immediate less than equals to 600. For this purpose our array should be sorted in ascending order. So now our array is in ascending order. Now formula will go like this, equals to match, within bracket I have to give lookup value, that lookup value is 600, then lookup array, that means I have to look for this value in this array, comma, now to find the largest value that is less than or equals to lookup value we use 1. So I am writing 1 here, enter. It has given me 5, that is 5th row number, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5th. So this number is immediate less than equals to 600. Now I want to find the price of book which is immediate greater than equals to 600. For that array should be sorted in descending order. Already it is in descending order. Formula is, within bracket I am giving 600, comma, lookup array, this is my lookup array, comma, now to find the smallest value that is greater than or equals to lookup value we use -1. So here we will be writing -1, close the bracket and enter. So 4th row, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this number, this price is immediate greater than or equals to 600.